Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Ashkin here and I am a psychologist. Today's video, we are gonna watch or check out activities to replace screen time. Yes, in my previous video, I have shared you few details on what are the effects of screen time, and on this video, I'm gonna suggest you some activities that could actually replace your screen time of kids. Okay, so when we see about screen time, yes, as much as this child is spending on the screen time, the less time that he's gonna get in his physical activity, let it be running, playing, reading, or any other thing. Okay, so it is very important as parents we have to find out and creative ways in using the real life situations more beneficial to our child's health and the growth. So more of screen time, less of playtime. So let's say no to it. Okay, so I'm not saying that we are not supposed to watch TV or play computer games, but let's give some small breaks. Let's pause it for some time. Let's give some commercial breaks and let's have some new and fun ideas to replace these things. Yeah, so let's take a break and look at what are the other activities that we could give the kids. Oh my god, yes, the cooking and the kitchen. When I say about what I could give it to my child at the best, the first thing that comes to my mind is in cooking and kitchen. There are like variety of roles or variety of activities that you can engage your child in. So for example, you can take them for a shopping, or you can ask them to pick out vegetables or fruits that is needed for the meals. So maybe you can sit on a table and you can just plan it out. What am I going to prepare for the lunch? What I'm going to make for the breakfast? So let's ask the child in participate in some small shopping trips. Let them choose the fruits and let them make and mix it. Yeah. And I can ask them to pack it up. Yeah, packing their own lunch boxes with all the different foods they want, what they like and what is good for them. So it is also an opportunity for us to teach different things. How do they sort things? How do they mix and match things? Okay, how do they understand the nutritions or the minerals that is rich in each and every food? It's not just about liking, but it is also about what is good for them. Yeah, and what is healthy for them. So that is also being taken care. You can ask them to help us out in mixing up certain ingredients, but of course with our supervision. Okay, so let's involve them in finding out some healthy recipes and which is going to be very tasty together. And you can ask them to help us out in arranging the dining table. Let them bring it, let them arrange it. So let's take time to make something very simple which these small little hands at home can help us out. So let's set the table together and we can enjoy it. So this is the best thing that I would say as a parent that you can give to replace. And one more thing, you get a helping hand in the kitchen too. Okay? Yes. The next activity that I could suggest is home library. Okay, when I say library, I'm not talking about a very big thing that needs to be set up. Okay, it can be any small kind of racks or shelf or a cartoon boxes where you can actually arrange the books according to the child's interest or needs, or which is very good for them. Okay, here you can actually pick up certain books and give some reading time or a quiet time. So both of you are gonna pick each book for each of you and you're gonna read it out. Okay, so it's gonna be silent and a quiet time. So this is actually to get the essence of reading into a child. So you're gonna instill the child's mind into reading habit. Okay, so today a reader, tomorrow a leader. So instead, just have it in your child. Okay, and the third activity that you can engage in puzzles. When I say puzzles, oh my god, my child is 2 years old. How is it gonna do it? My child is 5 years old. It's gonna be little difficult or little gonna be very simple. Oh my god, my child is 10 years old and how is he gonna do it? He's gonna say it is boring. No, the puzzles are of different varieties and it's gonna be different and it's gonna be very much interesting if you are selecting a puzzle which is actually appropriate for them. And even a 2-year-old or a 3-year-old can solve a bigger puzzle. The only thing, the kind of instruction or the kind of engagement that you're gonna help put the child in. So for example, if it is a very harder puzzle, maybe you can specify the color. Just get me the blue piece. Instead of saying it's a cloud, you can say it is a blue color chair. Okay, so I'm just giving an example. Okay, so maybe we can do with a particular element and then you can ask them to get the things. So the puzzles are the some things which is very great for all ages, and when the sizes, pieces and the features are very appropriate, it makes an interesting, engaging activity for all the children. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and there is also a part 2 of this video which has more of other activities that you can do to replace your screen time. So thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe our channel Ray if you find this video useful. Press the bell icon so that you don't miss any Ray from our channel. Spread the rays.